Hello, my name is David Fatula and I am the Director of Technical Services here at Island Stone. In this video, I'm going to provide an overview on installing our pebble and stone tile mosaic collections in common applications. This instructional does not cover installation in pools, spas, or water features. For pool-specific instructions, please refer to the Island Stone Pool Tile Installation Guide. This video is intended to support our written installation instructions, which are available for download from the resources section of our website, islandstone.com. We recommend our tile products be installed by an experienced professional tile installer who has read and understands these instructions. In addition to the recommendations found in the written instructions, Island Stone Pebble and Stone Tile mosaics should be installed in accordance with the specifications found in the current versions of the Tile Council of North America's TCNA Handbook for Ceramic, Glass, and Stone Tile Installation, and the ANSI A108 American National Standards for the installation of ceramic tile. Unless specified by the applicable TCNA method, a membrane is not required. However, the use of a membrane may increase the performance and longevity of the installation. Our pebble and stone tile mosaic sheets have either a two-sided or four-sided interlock design, which allows installers to create a seamless surface, which is one of the most distinct attributes of these collections. This desirable look is achieved through properly positioning the sheets tightly to one another, so there is a minimal grout joint between the sheets. Pebble and stone tile mosaics should only be cut with a wet saw equipped with a diamond blade designed for cutting natural stone. Do not dry cut with a power tool. Pebble and stone tile mosaics should be installed with a setting material that is specified for use with a natural stone tile as well as the intended installation location. Here are some of our recommendations. Tile products installed in exterior or interior wet applications require 95% setting material coverage on the back of the tile. Select a properly sized notch trowel to achieve coverage. The inherent random placement of the pebbles within the sheets creates a wide range of grout joint spacing, which necessitates the use of a grout product specified for use in joints up to 1/2 inch. We recommend using an ANSI A118.7 high performance cement grout. Here are some of our recommendations. Alternatively, an ANSI A118.6 sanded cement grout or epoxy grout may be used. With epoxy grout, extra care should be taken to prevent potential staining or an epoxy grout haze. When grouting products with a curved surface, such as perfect pebble, stacked pebble, or strip pebble, it is important to reduce the grout level to the widest part of the pebble, which will expose the maximum amount of the pebble and minimize the appearance of the grout. Movement joints are essential for a successful finished installation, and placement is project specific, but once again should be done in accordance with the TCNA guidelines. Pebble and stone tile mosaics should generally be sealed with 2 coats of a high quality sealer, once before grouting and then again after grouting. The brand and type of sealer will affect the appearance of the natural stone. Be sure to test the sealer on an uninstalled sheet prior to sealing the finished installation. Pebble and stone tile mosaics should be regularly cleaned with a pH neutral stone cleaner. For heavier buildup such as grease, oil, soap, scum, etc., an alkaline-based cleaner may be used. Acidic or abrasive cleaners should not be used. I hope this tutorial helps you confidently install your Island Stone Pebble or Stone Tile mosaic. Visit us online at islandstone.com.